Have you ever wondered how websites achieve those sleek, seamless section transitions that look almost magical? Well, today, we're diving into the world of CSS to create a visually stunning effect using a secret weapon called clip path. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a technique that will level up your UI game like never before. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting CSS tricks. It really motivates me to bring you more amazing content like this. Let's break this down step by step, starting with the structure of our HTML. First, we have the HTML tag with the head tag, where we include some meta information and link our style sheet using the link tag. This ensures all the styles we write in the external CSS file are applied to our HTML. In the body tag, we've wrapped everything inside a div tag with a class called section wrapper. This acts as the container for all our sections. Inside the wrapper, we have three sections, one with a light background, another with a dark background, and the last one with a colorful theme. Each section contains a heading inside a H tag, an image inside a div tag, and a button for user interaction. Before we dive into the clip path magic, let's cover some basics. At the top of our CSS file, we've applied a reset to all elements, setting padding and margin to 0 and using box sizing border box to make layout calculations predictable. We've also ensured the HTML tag and body tag take up the full height of the viewport, making our design flexible and responsive. This is essential for creating sections that fill the entire screen. Now let's talk about the sections themselves. Each section has a class like light section, dark section, or color section. These classes define the background and text colors, giving each section a unique style. To align everything within the sections, we've used a div tag with a class called section container. This is where the real magic begins. Let me explain. We've added a property to the section container that transforms how it appears on the screen. It's called clip path. Think of it like a stencil, where you can cut out specific parts of an element and only display those portions. For this effect, we're using the inset shape. The inset function lets us define a rectangular clipping region by specifying values for the top, right, bottom, and left edges. In our case, we've set all the edges to 0, which means the entire element is visible at first. But this is just the start of the magic. To achieve the seamless transition as you scroll, we've combined position fixed, absolute, and relative. Here's how it works. The section wrapper is set to position relative. This makes it the parent container for all the sections and ensures they are positioned relative to this wrapper. Inside each section, the section container is set to position absolute. This makes it possible to control its exact placement within the section. Finally, we use position fixed for the section inner. This means it stays fixed in place as you scroll through the sections. The combination of these three positions creates the illusion that each section is smoothly transitioning into the next while keeping the content fixed in place for a brief moment. The clip path inset effect works in tandem with these positions, dynamically clipping the sections as you scroll and creating that eye-catching visual. To enhance the design, we've added a circular counter at the top left corner of each section. This is achieved using a pseudo element with the before selector, which increments a counter value for each section. The buttons within the sections also adapt their styles based on the section theme. For example, the button in the light section uses dark colors for contrast, while the dark section button switches to a vibrant shade. And that's how you can create this stunning clipped scrolling effect using CSS. It's all about the clever use of clip path, positioning properties, and a little creativity. This is a technique you can easily customize for your own projects to make your design stand out. If you enjoyed this demo and found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more exciting content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.